Two babies are busy nursing. Another baby is busy getting wrestling. Yes, those two are wrestling. Those two are nursing, and he's just relaxing. They're 3 weeks old today, Annie. Before you know it, they'll be running around, causing trouble. Right now, they're just toddling about in the cage. But soon they'll be 6 weeks old, and we can get them vaccinated. And soon after that, they'll be ready for adoption after they're 8 weeks old. God bless you! You had a little sneezy? Look at those beautiful blue eyes. Baby's grooming himself, yeah. Are you going to climb out of the basket and show them how big and strong you are? Mommy just polished off another wet meal. She tends to leave the dry kibble for later. Such a happy family. Look at them wrestle, even at this age. She went too far, did she? Pin her. Knock her down. Now she's interrupting the ones that are trying to eat. That's just uncalled for. I know, tell your mommy. Golly, they're a handful. I'm glad it's your job to take care of them, Annie.